Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. And on this channel, you guys are going to get videos that show you how to make money online. Whether it's $5, $10, however the amount, big or small, well, you're going to learn how to make money online because I'm going to show you how I do it and how you can do it. And just remember, you have to put in the work. You have to stay consistent in order to make anything online. Consistency is always the key. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014. I started my YouTube channel in 2017, and here we are today. So for those of you that are new, I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about Swagbucks. We're going to be talking about two things: taking surveys and clipping coupons. So there's actually three ways that you can make money with this site that I do. You can take the surveys, you can clip the coupons, and you can watch videos. As you can see up here, I can earn 5 Swagbucks for watching the video. I just earned 5 Swagbucks just now before starting this recording. So the main reason I wanted to make this video is because I did some coupons. I clipped 25 coupons and I actually got credited for it, and it brought me to 200 points. So I got 25 points. So you guys can not only earn money for doing all the surveys, but you can also earn from clipping the coupons, and I'm going to show you that in this video on how you clip the coupons. Okay, so what you're going to do is, after you're done doing all of your surveys, remember, you get 1 point for each survey. Sometimes they'll give you more points, but most of the time you get 1 point per survey. And there's at least 24 surveys. So that's 24 cents. So you come down here, you scroll all the way down to where it says featured reward or featured ways to earn. You're going to click the arrow, you're going to go to the left of the page, and where it says coupons, you're going to click on that. This is something I do on Prize Rebel, but now I'm going to be doing this on Swagbucks. I don't do it on Prize Rebel anymore because I believe they took it off of Prize Rebel. But you earn 25 Swagbucks per coupon. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is something you should be doing. You can only do this once a day. But I'm going to show you how to do this, so pay attention. So we're going to clip 25 coupons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. There's going to be ones that open in a new window. Just exit out of those and continue on to the next one. It'll tell you if it's going to let you open. Okay. You'll know if it's going to open in a new window because it'll say, so click the coupon, click the coupon. Just click on the coupons until you get to 25. Just pay attention. You guys really want to pay attention because I show a lot of people this and I don't know if they do this or not. Click the coupon, click the coupon. You want to make sure you're clipping at least 25 of these. So wait, scroll back up. Shows you right here, you got 15 coupons. You're going to print. You're going to get 25 coupons. Clip, clip. And there's an arrow here. You can click on the down arrow. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Clip that one. Sorry, my computer's acting funny right now. Click that one. You guys want to be clearing your history on your laptop or desktop or computer if you have one. It'll cause it to go super slow if you don't. After this video, I'm going to be clearing my history because it's causing my computer to go slow. So just clip the coupon, clip it. Just wait for the page to fix itself. And then we're going to click this one, I'm going to click this one. Now we're going to scroll back up to see how many. So we have 2 more that we can clip. Okay. So we've clipped 25 24. Okay, one more. Let's clip one more. This one. Okay. So what you're going to do is when you've clipped 25 coupons, you're going to come back up here where it says print coupons. You're going to click on print coupons. Okay. You're going to enter in your phone number. I will do this part and I will come back. So hold on while I verify my number, you guys. Okay, I verified my number, and you guys want to make sure that the number you verify is the correct phone number, because they're going to send you a code to your phone. And this is the important part. You want to pay attention to this, okay? Where it says up here, when you guys open up your to print, you're not going to print these, okay? You're not going to print these. Where it says destination, there's every laptop and desktop is different, but you want to, where it says destination, you're going to come over here, click the down arrow, and you're going to save it as a PDF. Click on Save as PDF. Everything else you can leave alone. Save it as a PDF. Make sure you do that, because if you don't do it, it will not work. You won't get the points if you don't do it this way. I learned this off of watching a prize jumper video a long time ago. This is how I know how to do the coupons. You still get the credit for it, okay? So you will not be printing these out. You're clipping them, basically. You're going to save it as a PDF to your computer, and this does work. I believe it takes 30 minutes to credit, but you're going to go ahead and just save it. Just save it, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to coupons, and you're done. And you just wait for your 25 points Swagbucks to credit, and I believe it takes 30 minutes. And you can do this once a day only, because they don't allow you to do it one or twice a day. You just do it once a day, and that's 25 points, 25 Swagbucks you guys can be earning a day per day. So you can do the surveys, you can do the coupons, and you can do the videos. The videos are easy to do. You just let a timer count down, and once it counts down, you click next, next. Sometimes it'll say 1 out of 3, and once you get 3 out of 3, it'll credit you your Swagbucks. So there's tons of things you can do on here, but I want to make it simple for you guys so you don't be spending hours on here just trying to make a measly $5. Like I said, if you need quick cash, 500 points is what you should go to get $5. Okay? I'm going to be doing, the reason I go to 600 points is to have money in my account left over, so I won't have to start over from 0.0 Swagbucks. Not saying that I can't get up to 500 Swagbucks again, but it'll take longer. So I redeem at 600 Swagbucks, so I have 100 Swagbucks left over to start with when I start over again to redeem. Okay? And you guys can go higher if you don't want to go to 500. If you don't want to redeem at $5, you don't have to. You guys can go up to 10,000 Swagbucks and get your $100. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay, if you want to go to $10, you can go to 1,000 Swagbucks. That's $10. 5,000 Swagbucks is $50. Okay, 2,500 Swagbucks is $25. So if you guys need a higher amount, you can do that. I'm not saying you can't. What I'm telling you is if you're looking to just redeem at $5, 500 Swagbucks is all you need. Now, I came on here to just show you the 3 things I do on here is the surveys, the videos, and I just showed you how to clip the coupons. I hope this video helps you. So don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.